Hello craft heroes! Here's what the finished beak of the turkey looks like. Now let's crochet this section together using apricot yellow yarn. For round 1, make a slip knot and insert your hook through both the slip knot and the stitch between rounds 9 and 10 of the body chain 4. Starting in the second chain from the hook, work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Then make 1 slip stitch into the body to secure the piece and fasten off. Left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and wrap the yarn once around your pinky from front to back. Bring the yarn across the front of your ring and middle finger. Wrap the yarn from back to front around your index finger. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over by bringing the hook under and over the yarn to catch it. Then pull through the loop on the hook. Pull tight. So we got 1 slip knot, the top edge of the cocky part is round 6. From top of the body we can count to round 10 starting from this round. This is the midpoint stitch between rounds 9 and 10. Hook into the right stitch of the midpoint stitch between rounds 9 and 10. Bring it out of the stitch at the center point between rounds 9 and 10. Insert the hook into the slip knot and pull through the stitches. Next, we need to work for chain stitches. The first chain stitch, 2, 3, 4. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook under the back loop of the second chain stitch and work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 half double crochet yarn over the hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over the hook again. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Finished 1 half double crochet. And a double crochet. Next, yarn over the hook. See the loops on hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 double crochet. Hook into the midpoint stitch between rounds 9 and 10 and bring it out to the stitch on left. Then work 1 slip stitch to fasten off. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 3-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. Insert the needle into the stitch. Thread the yarn tail through the yarn needle. Pull the needle through somewhere on the other side of the body to hide the yarn tail. Repeat to hide other yarn tails. Now we have finished the beak of the turkey.